Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, saws, welding machines, and much more. Today we're going to show you a little bandsaw that we got here. It's a vertical Leten bandsaw. Has a 15-inch throat. That's the way that they rate most of these saws. So you're going to have from here to your blade, that's going to be 15 inches. You'll be able to obviously do a 30-inch round. We'll turn the machine on. Very simple machine. It's got a nice little work light. It's got a little chip blower. I can feel the air blowing on it right now. It also comes with the welder grinder. Here's your little grind unit. You can see that turned on. I'll change the speeds here just so you can hear it. I do have a microphone here on me. I'm going to lower it down. You can hear it's considerably lower. There is a few different gear markers here that you're going to have for your high to low, and you can go to variable speed between there. We'll shut this off and show you the machine. There's also a little cutoff right here. If you come take a look in here, you can see, of course, your standard wheel. The rubber's in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of cracking on it, but it should make no problem. It's all there, not much wear actually. On both sides, looks real good. Take a look at the pictures on the web. You can see closer up pictures. Right here is going to be your blade tensioning, and of course you're going to have your raising and lowering of your guard. If you're interested in this saw or any other, new or used, we do carry these all types of metalworking bandsaws, horizontal, vertical, and cold saws. If you're in need of financing, we can help you out there as well. Please check out our website for current inventory at sterlingmachinery.com, or give us a call at 626-444-0311. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.